সবাই? গুড। আজ আমি তোমাদের কি পড়াবো বলো তো? হ্যাঁ, ওই দ্য থ্রি ফিশেস এর কোশ্চেন আনসার গুলো, ওগুলো আজকে লেখাও। রেডি তো? লেট আস স্টার্ট। নাম্বার 1, হু লিভড ইন আ লেক? What is the question? Who lived in a lake? Three friends lived in a lake. Okay. Next question. How were they? How were they? Answer. They were they were very close friends. কি বললাম? They were very close friends. They were very close friends. Yes. Next. Number 3. Who heard the fisherman? Who heard the fisherman? The wise fish heard the fisherman. Yes. The wise fish heard the fisherman. Number 4. Number 4. Question. What happened in the next morning? What happened in the next morning? Next morning, the fisherman came back and কি করলো? Next morning the fisherman came back and spread the net. That means they cast their net. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. How did the intelligent fish survive? Next question. How did the intelligent fish survive? The intelligent fish survived acting as he was dead. Okay. The intelligent fish survived acting as he was dead. What happened to the police fees? Last question. What happened to the police fees? What happened to the police fees? Answer. The fees are main for him easily casting their net and at last starting. Okay, this is the last question. Next, here are some true false. The three friends are very close friends. The sentence is true or false. If you see true, you will write true. If you think no, false, then you will write false. Clear? There will be so many sentences with true and false. And some activity you can see, complete the following sentences. You can easily solve it. You can work out all your exercise easily. Okay, ভালো থাকবে সবাই। Bye.